Hi, I'm the word historian, and this is the etymology of the word Nimrod. Nimrod. You might have heard this word before from one of the world's most popular cartoon character, Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny often called Elmer Fudd a Nimrod with his usual sarcastic humor, but everyone interpreted this joke the wrong way, adding to the definition of the word that we are all familiar with, which is someone who is an idiot. But you knew that, didn't you? So what did Nimrod used to mean? Well, unlike Elmer Fudd, Nimrod was a character of legend from the Bible, who was a great hunter, which is the original definition of the word. He was such a great hunter he became king of many settlements, which included the famous Babylon. His reign has been debated since, depending on what source you're looking at, he either reigned for 60 years, 69 years, or even 500 years. It has also been debated whether or not he wanted the construction of the Tower of Babel to take place. The Tower of Babel was a tower that was built to spite God for the floods that killed all the heathens. In some accounts, Nimrod was a figure against God, as he was a great hunter who only relied on himself, while on other accounts, he was a righteous man who left Babylon due to the construction of the tower, which resulted in being rewarded from God with a few cities. There are several references to Nimrod, and it's most likely that Nimrod's legend somehow became a collection of many people who have lived throughout that time period and contributed towards the legend, which explains why there are so many conflicting stories about Nimrod. In the end, God ends up punishing the city of Babylon by giving the people many different complex languages, which creates huge confusion, which also explains the definition of Babel, a confused noise made by a number of voices. Another interesting thing about Bugs Bunny is not only did he change the definition of Nimrod, he also created the misconception of rabbits eating carrots, where carrots actually provide little nutrients for rabbits, and they should only eat them as treats due to the high sugar content. Bugs Bunny eating carrots was supposed to be a parody referencing Clark Gable's hitchhiking scene from the 1934 film It Happened One Night. Everyone at the time would have understood the reference, but nowadays, this joke has been lost to time. Do you know any jokes that have been lost to time as well? Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you learned something interesting today. If you liked the video, please drop a like, and if you want more content like this, please subscribe, and if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, ring that bell. I'm the word historian, and this was the etymology of the word Nimrod. Thanks for watching and have a great day. See you in the next video.